Okay, testimonials. Now, what good website doesn't have some testimonials on it? We've got an element to help you do that very easily. So these are some options here. So we've got a testimonial element with an image, a body of text, name and position, also links to wherever, which could be their website and such. We've got a simpler one without the images, and we've got a grid one with some boxes and different sliders. So this would be a small slider and a large slider that can scroll automatically, or you can click to scroll. And there's some different options there. Let's go ahead and show you how that works in the back end. So testimonials are right here, and let's go ahead and check that out. So we've got our testimonials right here. But before we do that, let's go over our global settings. So we've got a few different styles. We've got our grid style. We've got a slider style, which is our compact version, or we can do the large version. And if we want to have it auto rotate, we can do that. If you don't want it to auto rotate, you could just set the time to 100 seconds. That should suffice. But if you want them to scroll automatically or to shuffle automatically, we can do that. But let's go back to the grid, which shows all of them at once, and we can set the number of columns. So we can have different columns there depending on how much space you want to use up. Maybe the 2 looks good. And the grid style is default, a minimal grid, or we can go with a boxed grid that's got these boxes here. And of course we can go in and edit our colors, font and content colors. Now, if we go into each of our testimonials themselves, obviously we can change the name of the person, give them a title, a subtitle. We can add an image or change the image, and the image will automatically sort of crop it to this circular look. So an image that is more or less square in format or close to it, it does a pretty good job. Mostly rectangular, those sorts of images work very well. This is the content, so this would be this text right here. Right here you can write in or add in photos, you can add whatever you want. The website link and the website name. So it says website, but it doesn't need to be whatever, it could be whatever you want. It could be Facebook page and then provide a link to their Facebook page, but that is right here. So wiki travel is wiki travel, and then the link, when you click on that, that's where it takes you. So that's how we configure each of these testimonials. We can shuffle them around, we can reorganize them, we can copy them and reproduce them, and that is our testimonials element.